Hey guys, in this quick video, I will show you how to find your Tron wallet address on Bybit so you can easily deposit TRX from other exchanges or wallet. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. The first thing you need to do is to open your Bybit application. After logging in, at the bottom right corner, tap on the Assets tab. Now click on the Deposit button. Now tap on the Deposit Crypto button. Now you will see a list of coins. On the search bar, search for Tron. Tap on it. By default, Tron runs on the TRC20 network. So select TRC20 if you are sending from other wallets like Trust Wallet, Binance or any that support the Tron chain. Tap on it. You will now see your TRX deposit address and a QR code. You can either copy the wallet address or scan the QR from your sending wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Tron wallet address on Bybit and you are ready to go. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.